In SolidWorks, you can add ordinate dimensions to a drawing. Here I am in a drawing. I have a view that I want to annotate. I will click on the Annotation tab, and then from the Smart Dimension dropdown, you can choose Ordinate Dimension. Then you will use the left mouse button to click what you want to use as the baseline, drag the dimension out to where you want it to appear, and then left click again. Subsequent left mouse clicks will allow you to add other ordinate dimensions to the group. Let me select a couple more entities. This is good. I will click the check mark. And now for dimensions going vertically, I'll just repeat the process. Smart dimension, ordinate dimension, pick my baseline, drag it out to where I want it to appear, and then left click, and then additional left clicks for the other different entities that I want to dimension, and then hit the check mark when I am done. So there you have it. That's how you can add ordinate dimensions to a drawing.